Let's start with replacing the headlight switch. Begin with the switch in the off position. Press the switch straight in towards the front of the car, red arrow, and turn the switch clockwise until halfway between off and on position, yellow arrow. Pull the switch out from the dash, red arrow, by the switch knob. Pull the switch far enough from the dash that you can unplug the harness from the back. Installation of the switch is the reverse of removal. Let's move to the dimmer switch. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry the switch out from the bottom, red arrow. Pull the switch out from the dash, indicated by the red arrow. Squeeze the two clips on the connector, red arrows, together and separate the wiring harness from the switch. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.